Experience powerful blending and chopping in the palm of your hand with the KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender. Puree, crush, chop, and whisk using the simple one-touch control. The splash guard increases airflow and helps prevent splashing, while the removable 8-inch stainless steel blending arm makes it easy to blend anywhere, even in deeper pitchers or pots. Mix and store homemade sauces or baby food purees in the 3-cup BPA-free blending jar. Cleanup is quick and easy, so you have more time to enjoy your creations. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Smart Stick Handheld 2-Speed Blender. Here's the main unit. It's all stainless steel, it's beautifully designed. Here you have soft press buttons, one for low, one for high. It's extremely easy to operate. Has a nice grip on it, so it's tapered so that your hand goes right there. It's easy to use. It can be used in a pitcher, a beaker that comes with your unit, or it can be used right in a pot to puree soups or any type of sauces. The bottom piece is removable. We just press this little button, pull it apart. This way you can wash it in the sink, put it in the dishwasher, whatever you prefer. Now the other things that come with your unit are the chopping attachment. This goes on by just mounting it like so, which locks it in place, and then you just do the same thing. Press high or low, depending on what speed you want to use. Press the button again, remove it, and you can actually attach your chef whisk, just like so. Pop it into place. This is great if you're going to whip up eggs or anything like meringue. Just use it in the bowl. It's really great and convenient. I'm going to take that off, put it aside. And then what we're going to do is just show you the inside of this chopping attachment. I want to show you the blade. This is the blade. One side is marked sharp and the other side is marked dull. It's removable. You turn it over and you put it down and lock it back into place. Always use the sharp side of the blade for items like soft flesh things like herbs or onions, and use the blunt side for things more like hard cheeses or peppercorns or anything like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the beaker that comes with your handheld blender, and we're going to make a beautiful, fresh, and refreshing dressing for this lovely salad right here. So just so you know, the beaker has lots of great measure markings on this side and the other side. Now, the thing I love about this beaker is I use it for a lot of other things, just, you know, measuring when you're doing other recipes too. So keep that in mind when you're going to use it. So let's put all of our ingredients in that we need. First, we put the pepper. Then we're going to put the vinegar. Next is the garlic and the shallot, the dill, salt, orange juice, lime juice and lemon juice, and the last ingredient we're going to use right now is the mustard. And we're just going to put that right in. The mustard's really going to help you get a great emulsification so that when you add your oil to this mixture, it's going to incorporate really nicely together. And all we're going to do is put the handheld blender in, start it up on low, and you're going to do that. You're going to move this up and down. Never bring it above the complete surface because then you'll get splashes. You're going to run that so it's nice and smooth. And now what we're going to do is start adding our oil. And I'm going to do this a little bit at a time, just so I get exactly the amount that I need. So I'm going to add about half of it. And start blending again. Notice this is a beautiful color. We're going to incorporate the rest of the oil. Put this down. Out. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to knock this off so we don't get any drippage. I'm just going to set it right in here. what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my beaker. This is really nice. It's convenient and easy. Drizzle the dressing right on top of the salad. It's a beautiful color. The thing I like about it is this dressing is really different. It has lots of great fresh ingredients. The dill and the orange makes it really different and really tasty. Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Smart Stick Handheld Corded Blender. It's really nice and streamlined. It's simple and easy to use. You'll notice that it has a really nice stainless steel shaft and chopping mechanism on the bottom. The shaft is completely removable, so when you're done using it, just press this little button in the back, pop it off. This can go right in the sink for washing or into the dishwasher. It has 2 speeds, low and high. Press it just by pressing this nice soft button on the top for low and on the bottom for high. It's 200 watts of power and it's very, very versatile. One of the things that you can do is you can make lots of items. You can use the speaker and you can make a vinaigrette, you can make a smoothie, you can make pancake batter, you can make an omelet mix, you can chop up your herbs, blend up your eggs right in the beaker, and then cook them. The other thing that it can be used for is for making potatoes, believe it or not. These I happen to cook in the microwave a little bit earlier. They're still warm to the warm temperature. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding my ingredients. The first item is butter. Of course, you need butter for mashed potatoes. Just put that in like that. You need some salt. Next, today we're going to be seasoning them with some fresh rosemary. Lastly, the last item is a white pepper. You can use black if you prefer, but some people like to use white pepper because it won't discolor your mashed potatoes when you're all done. And then in the beaker, I pre-measured out some cream. First, what I'm going to do is start chopping my potatoes. To get them started. Now what I'm going to do, after I chop them up a little bit, is add the cream. I'm just going to add a little at a time because we may not need all of this cream. You know, one thing about mashed potatoes is we don't want to overmix them because then they will get a little, gluey. So this is a really quick and easy way to mix them up for mashed potatoes. What I'm going to do is remove this. I'm just going to put it in the beaker so it just doesn't get the countertop dirty. And I just want to show you those mashed potatoes. Just mix them up a little bit. They're beautifully incorporated. They still have a little bit of texture to them. They smell really good because we added the rosemary and the white pepper and the salt and the butter, so they're going to taste really great. Think about lots of ways you can use your handheld blender. And there you have it, the Smart Stick Handheld Blender by Cuisinart.